Hello everybody, my name's Kevin, and this is my 2006 Town & Country, which I got for $1. And if you fellers can get yourself a vehicle for $1, you better snag that up right now. We're gonna do a little repair on the other side. Let's go look at it. The guy's got a small problem here. A little bit of a hole. I'm gonna try to fix that. Maybe with some primer, some paint, some putty. Let's see what we can do. The guy's got this all prepped out. Sanded. Are fixed up good. Got any suggestions? Go ahead and bloop it down in the comments. Well, we got the old filler on here. But the guy's got to tell you, I'm not liking it. It dries way too quick. It said 3 to 5 minutes to dry. And it was more like about a minute. So, it doesn't look good. We'll have to see how it looks after I'm done sanding it. So guys, done with sanding. It took about 82 months. Doesn't look terrible. And you can see the patch. I don't think that's supposed to look like that. I'm sure it's fine. We'll go ahead and get her primered up and see you in a bit. Well, what are you still doing here? Go on, get out of here. Yes! Well, this is what we got. After a little primer, a little paint. Not too bad. You can still see some high areas there. It's not like it's a professional job or anything. Let's look at it from over here. Yeah, maybe in the right light, as in dark. Maybe it'll look good. And over here, I really can't even tell that anything happened, which is nice. Well, that's gonna do it for today. It ended up doing pretty good. Not too bad for 20 bucks and about 82 months worth of time. We will see you guys later.